Hello everyone, welcome back to Techie Help. Today we will library management system using Python Flask and simple web development techniques using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's go for intro. So today we will this library management system where you add books and search books, student managements and issue and return books, and here is current time. Okay, so it's also responsive. So when I click add book, it is add in books. Okay. And you want to remove, click on remove and boom, it's remove. And in the search bar, you search the books, and in a student management, add students in your library management system, and you want to leave. So simply enter your name and simply remove. Let's name is remove. Okay. Here is the issue book, book ID and student name. When I click issue books, book is issues, and I want you want to return book. Enter book ID and click on return. Okay, and the current time is so on. Okay, so this is a simple project using Python Flask and web simple web techniques. Okay, so without delay, let's get started. So open your Visual Studio Code. So open your Visual Studio Code and make a folder. Go on desktop, make a new folder and name it Library Management System. Okay, select. So we have make a folder in this library folder. You make a data folder where we store putting your add book data using JSON in JavaScript. Okay, and make a template file to HTML file, and make a statics folder to make a JavaScript and CSS file under statics. Okay, so I am using Python class. So first of all, make app.py, and second make a templates folder. In templates folder, we make a file with name index.html, and then make a folder with name of statics. In statics, we make a file javascript.js and style.css. Okay, so first of all, create a file name with app.py. App.py. This file used for Python class. Okay, so next is make a folder for templates. Templates. Okay, in templates we put a file with name of index.html, and press enter. And next to make a folder with name of static. Okay, with name of static. In statics, we make a two file with a name of script.js and style.css. So script.js and style.css, styles.css. Okay. Now we make a folder with name of data. In the data folder, automatically JavaScript function add JSONs to store data of your books. Okay. So without delay, let's get started. All file and folder are set up correctly. Okay. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have uh, I consider you have basic knowledge of Python and Flask, and you have intermediate level knowledge of JavaScript and CSS and index.html. Okay. So you have not knowledge about it, so first of all go and learn and then come to build this project. Okay, so let's build this. So in Python class, first is import class and request JSON file and render templates, index.html, CSS. Okay, so let's build. So from class, from class, import flask, import import flask, comma request comma JSON fy. Okay, comma render templates and import import JSON. JSON is used for store your books data. Okay, so next is import os means operating system. Okay, and next is from date and time, from date time date date time and import date time. Okay, so app equals to class name, equals to class name. Okay, so make a data directory, data uh da- data data directory is equals to data. Okay, so now we store books files. Books underscore file is equals to os.path.join data directory, comma students.json. Sorry, books.json. Books books.json. Okay, and next is a student file. Student student file is equals to os.path.join data directory, comma students.json. Okay, so next is define load data. Okay, define load data, file name, file name, file name, and if os dot path dot exits file name, file name. So with open file name, comma r means read. Okay, as a file, as a file, return json dot load file and then return. Okay, also next define save data, save data, file name, comma data, and with open file name, comma w as a file. W means write. Okay, as a file. We are using some concept of file handling. Okay, so json dot dump, json dot json dot dump data file data, comma, file. Next, app root, app, app dot root, define, define index, return render, templates, template, tmplt, template, template s, return template, templates, index, index dot html, and next app dot root, book, books, comma, methods, methods is equals to get, define, get book, get book, student is equals to, students is equals to load data, student file, students file, and return JSON, return JSON file, JSON file, JSON file, students, students, the app, app dot root, add book, add underscore book, comma, method post, methods equals to post and post, define, define, add book, add book, and the book is equals to uh, book is equals to request dot json, request dot json, and books is equals to load data, book file, book file, and book dot append, book dot append book. Okay, book, comma, status available, available, and next is save data, save data, book, book file, comma, book, return, return, comma, 200, And the next is this method is add book, and the next is remove book. So app dot root remove underscore book, and comma methods methods is equals to post p post. Next, define remove book. Define remove book, and copy this and simply paste. We are changing here books uh, books ID. Book ID is equals to data ID. Okay, and books is equals to load data book file. So copy this. Books is equals to data file. Control C, Control V. Okay. So books is equals to not this append method. Delete this append method and put it books is equals to books is equals to book for book if book ID not equal book ID, book ID, then return, then save data books. Okay, so it's done. And next is build a return method. Okay, so app app.root app.root return book, return book, comma method post. Methods is equals to post. Define defines return app.root URL return book, comma methods is equals to post, and define return return book. Book is equals to request.json book ID is equals to data ID, and books is equals to load data and book file. book file. For book in then for book in books for book in books, अगर बुक अवेलेबल है तो if if book id book id equals to book id and book status is equals to issued column. Book status is equals to available available book.pop issued issued to none. And the save data book file comma book return 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 comma 200 return book return book not found or issue not found or issues comma 400 and so on. Next define go on your index.html and let's building this. So a title library management system, library management system, and link your CSS. So link rel style sheet href href url underscore for static comma file name equals to file name is equals to style.css styles.css. Okay, and close. So in your body tag We first of all create a h1 tag, h1, and write library management system, and next is add to book section h2, uh, h2 add book, and next is create a form id equals to add book form. So input type input type text input type text id, book name placeholder, book का नाम, book name, and required. So one copy this, copy, control B, or sit R. Oh, फिर से एंटर लेना पड़ेगा. Input type text and id, book name, placeholder, book name, and required required, and control D. Okay. So input type is text. Okay. And ID is change. ID is used for simply set up CSS. Okay. And placeholder is used to uh, visible user to what are right in the form box. Okay. So ID is author name, and placeholder author. Okay. And book ID, and ID name, book ID. Oh, sorry, book ID. And next button is submit button. Type type submit, add book, and this is closed. And next section is book section, and H2 books, hmm, ID, book list, and section is closed. And next is student management. So build a student management. So make a section, where a student management S2 in tags and make a form where take input type text and a student name placeholder student name required. Okay, so let's build this. So next build section. In section build S2. Hey, ये क्या section H H2 student management and make a form ID inter student inter student form take input type text ID input type text ID equals to a student name a student name the placeholder a student name required. So I consider you have knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'm a develop a basic uh, roadmap of library management system. So this is HTML of basic set up HTML according to you. What you want to front end, what you want to UI according to you. Set up this and also set up your CSS. Okay. So I am providing this source code of this project in my description. So you check my description and go through and uh, building through the help of source code. Okay. So वीडियो लंबा होने के कारण पूरा प्रोजेक्ट क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट बड़ा है सो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट इसमें नहीं बता सकते टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लगेगा टाइम है नहीं ओके सो इसका सोर्स कोड हम अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देंगे वहां से आप डाउनलोड करके और इसका यूज कर सकते हैं अगर कोई डाउट आता है तो आप कमेंट करें या फिर डायरेक्टली हमको लिंक्डइन पे कनेक्ट करें उसका भी हम लिंक दे देंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में ठीक है सो हम ये कंसिडर कर रहे हैं कि आपको पाइथन में फ्लास्क एंड एच टी एम एल सी एस एस एंड जावास्क्रिप्ट आपको इंटरमीडिएट लेवल पे आता होगा ठीक है तो अपने हिसाब से एच टी एम एल अपना आपको कैसा फ्रंट एंड चाहिए आपको यूआई कैसा चाहिए यूएक्स कैसा चाहिए सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू अपना सेटअप कर लें ओके सो नाउ लेट्स बिल्डिंग अ जावा स्क्रिप्ट सो so in JavaScript, you have a basic and intermediate level knowledge for building this. I am not using more functions in JavaScript. I am simple using JavaScript function like document element ID, okay, event listener ID, okay. So let's build this. So document dot add event listener dom content load dom dom content dom content loaded comma So load books, load load books, and load a student, load a students, and fetch current time, fetch current time, and constant add book, constant add book form equals to document dot get element id, add book form, add add book form, and so on. Okay. So this is our basic JavaScript. Okay. So let's check it's working or not. The term node is not organized name CMD. Okay. So you run code from of app.py. So let's see. Oh wow, it's working. So let's see. See this. It's working. Book name, author name, and book ID, and add book, and boom. Here you see. Here you see. This is a books, and you want to add many books. Yeah, it's working. And you want to remove this. Okay. And this is a search functionality and a student management इंटर यही द करंट स्टेटस। ओके, यहाँ से इशू बुक को इशू कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से करंट टाइम रिटर्न कर सकते हैं, इशू कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो आज के लिए इतना ही, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। सो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। अगर कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड आपको कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट अगर चाहिए तो प्लीज कमेंट करें, और हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द वो प्रोजेक्ट हम दे पाए। ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।